fans, make una pray for una legend wey dem dey call Two-Face. There is fire on the mountain for Two-Face house, and that fire na only Two-Face na e dey burn. Abeg, make una pray for this man. Make una pray for this man. Hey, wonder shall never end o. Fire on the mountain in the household of Two-Face, but na only Two-Face na the fire dey burn. My people, Two-Face say make e waka small, e don waka gidigba. The one wey Two-Face go put hand so, e no go see head at all. Chai, is this really a punishment from God to Two-Face? Abi na devil na e conquer head? Because what Two-Face is going through right now, you won't even pray it for your enemy. Two-Face, when he wake up one morning, say na DNA test he won't do because of the way they say Natasha pikin do face like we no understand. Now Two-Face go do DNA. Since when Two-Face do DNA, kasala don scatter for everywhere. Now the child of Two-Face is still missing. According to Natasha mama, he say he can carry the pikin make he come stay with her. Before they talk say they won't do DNA, mama Natasha no come carry grandpikin. As they hear DNA, mama Natasha come carry pikin comot. Now Two-Face won't still do gra. Hey, since when mama Natasha carry Two-Face pikin comot, whether na Two-Face pikin, I no come know for this point now. Because at this point now, should I even say Two-Face pikin? Because why will they take the child away when they want to do DNA test? Now, since when mama Natasha come carry pikin comot, no be small kasala na it dey happen for Two-Face head. If una see wetin they don't turn Two-Face to, una go pity una legend. If you see wetin Natasha dey do Two-Face right now, if you see wetin Natasha dey do am, Two-Face have to put it on record. Send to people, say make they come to his aid, make they come save am. They go buy am. Natasha go buy am. Since when mama Natasha come carry that pikin, no be small thing that they use Two-Face eye till they see. Do you know that Two-Face never come outside since then? Two-Face never come outside though. They lock legend. Legend, may I even throw away legend. Two-Face is 50-something years. 50-something years old man with 7 children. They lock her for his house. Two-Face never come outside since when mama Natasha come carry pikin. That inside house where Two-Face dey, the kind gbasgbos wey Natasha dey gbasgbos am, you need to ask question. The kind gbasgbos wey Natasha dey give am, front hand and back hand, boy, it tower. And we all know say Natasha, the kind beat wey dey beat Two-Face, not be ordinary hand they say they beat am. She dey scatter bottle. You go just carry wetin they take dey buy chicken. You go say you wan use am take buy Two-Face. Like Two-Face go wrong, go hide for inside room. She go dey hit the door. Igba. Na inside fire na Two-Face dey. Two-Face dey inside fire. Fire dey burn am. But the man no see mouth take cry come outside. The man no see mouth take voice come outside. Now he come begin dey do secret recording. Secret recording they go give people. The worst part of it is that mama Natasha for inside don't join hand with the pikin. Hey! According to one recording wey Two-Face send, come outside, mama Natasha and the pikin, they carry Two-Face down for ground. They roast this man. Roast am. They come carry that bead wey mama Natasha, that bead wey mama Two-Face say, remove that bead. They carry that bead wear Two-Face again. The mama Natasha no know say that they record them. Two-Face go they secretly they record them. Because Two-Face come they fear whether they won't buy am. Natasha calls the way be boy, he come. Now so he come gbasgbos Two-Face, give am thorough warning. Say if Two-Face leave Natasha, make Two-Face just enter grave. Make he just be RIP. Because there is no way Two-Face go leave Natasha, make it dey breathe this hair where will they breathe. Hey! Ogini Kwanu, my people. Wonder they say shall never end. I open mouth, my mouth no let me close. Two-Face come dey fear. Make e no be like say na kpai dem wan come kpai am. Now the man come go put secret camera. Make the record send go give people. In case they come kpai am, they come go talk like say see wetin kpai am. They go just come the whole Natasha family. Now so they pack they come. If you see, they'll say me Two-Face sit down for ground. Sit down for ground, they go they curse am. They go they speak their language for his head. They curse am. They tell Two-Face say, the day we go dear am. Oh, if he dare leave Natasha. If he dare even go reach the mama Natasha. This is not Natasha handwork alone. You see that mama Natasha, this mama Natasha, the woman a tough woman. The woman get bodyguard. Eh? Now be smart in Two-Face enter. Hey, I want to be Igbinedion in-law. I been a Saiwaru in-law. See where Saiwaru in-law don't put Two-Face. He won't chop with the billionaires. He want to eat and dine with the billionaires. But he want to treat them like Annie. Oga, hey. Now one chance now you enter so. If you see the threatening where they give Two-Face, those people that are saying Two-Face go leave Natasha, unless Two-Face don't ready to go join the ancestors, there is no leaving Natasha in any way. Unless say police, soldier, and army, now they will come be Two-Face bodyguard. Now I go fit to leave Natasha. If you see the threatening where they don't threaten Two-Face on top of DNA. Now I know say not be every woman now they ask DNA. And not be every woman need to do DNA. Some go just bring the pikin, you collect it. Whether the pikin can be albino, not be albino, you collect the child. Hey, wonder shall never end, my people. So right now, because of DNA, if you see the threatening, the punishment where they put Two-Face now, they tell Two-Face say that DNA, he should cancel it from his head. My people, before I continue, make I feel welcome to my wonderful and amazing channel. This na Gossip Big TV. I beg, if you dey watch my video, you never subscribe. Subscription is free. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Gossip Big TV. God bless you as you do so. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, may God Almighty in heaven bless you all. So, they don't give Two-Face thorough warning. Say, you know that DNA test. They don't want to hear pim from your mouth. Accept the child the way you see the child. They tell Two-Face say the pikin resemble her. Pikin wey all Two-Face friends see, they ask Two-Face question. The mama Natasha say the pikin resemble Two-Face. Say na because he is small, na make can do face like that. Say the face go change. Hey, my lovely fans. Now the video when Two-Face go secretly the record. Now he don't come out where people can't know what Two-Face they go through now. This man is going through a lot. I just pray may God have mercy on Two-Face. This man is really going through a lot in the hands of Natasha and his mama. You see Mama Natasha, you know say that woman tough. You may looking at her, you know say it tough. Because for her to raise Natasha like that, she must be a tough woman. If you see wetin they turn on a legend to, grand now they carry legend sit down. They say they don't want to hear anything like DNA tests. They threatening him. They boss him. Like the whole family came. You say God really punished Two-Face. This is a man where Annie they worship. Man where Annie go they talk to. Annie go they look at with the eyes of love. Ogasiana, they don't they give you the opposite of love. Make una pray for una legend though. The video not be waiting at the post. The video not be waiting at the post. If you see glass close where they close this man, they say that DNA test, he should close his mouth. They don't want to hear it again. This man be like person where they under interrogation. The way the whole Natasha family they gather. The man they under it. Be like who they under interrogation. Now so they shout, they match her. They warn her seriously. Say if he dare leave Natasha, na RIP, na be the results. Imagine say this thing we don't fair hear before say that time wey Two-Face propose to Natasha, na so Natasha go pack him brothers, pack him family members, dey come. The boys wey dey family, he go pack, dey come. Na so those one threaten Two-Face, because Two-Face come outside, he come say they hijack your account. Later he come outside, he say na me yarn wetin I yarn. That time they don gbas am. Na wetin they tell us that time. Two-Face come dey deny. You know say then Two-Face dey deny many things until we come find out say the man dey lie to cover up a lot of things wey dey go through for that relationship. The same thing wey dey happen to her right now. Right now, the same gbas when they give am wey take come out come talk say nobody hack my account. Na me yarn wetin I yarn. The same thing na dey happen now. The gbas wey they give am say if they hear DNA for him mouth, you give their sister belle, you dey say DNA. If you dare am, if they hear am, you go hear am hot for their hand. As I dey talk to una so, that man dey under their bondage. Living in bondage is better than the life wey Two-Face dey live. Chai, is this karma? My people, leave your comment in the comment section. This is Gossip Big TV. God bless you.